So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a very simple call to action button for CSS without actually writing a code using a website. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have and open a fresh web page. Now here you have to search for CSS3 buttongenerator.com. You can see the right URL. Just simply go to this website. Now here you have to give the details about the button that you want to create. You can give it multiple parameters. You can change the color, the text, and multiple settings. And once you're satisfied with the changes, when you scroll down here, you're gonna find the CSS code for the button that you have just created. You can directly copy this code, use it over your CSS platform, CSS coding platform, and customize your buttons. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.